First of all, I would like to give my regard to all the media's friend for responding our call to attend this press conference. Puilano ang joton hambay marogo chini press bondu rogno tini oro chini press briefing krane phaimani bagai puilano ang hambay ronai tini buishu bisi ketal angi tongo tini korea mutani der aban bang jot tonono chini tiprani basi rogno tei tipra sarogno tei jot tiprani bororogno ani khakofur Hakatan by Hamba Yafaro, Chini Bushu Bishikutalni Mungui. Table Sing Hamba Yafarnai, Dino Zorago, Chini Tangai Edis Songmari, O Songmarigo, Chini Kabangma, Chini Borogo, Chini Patino, Lak Asakasakasi Butrika, Avani Bagui, Willa Boron Blaicha Hambai, the Haktama Yafaro, Chini Butarona. Today, we have an emergency CC meeting held 13 to 14 April. In this executive committee meeting, we have resolved 4-point agenda, which I want to declare with the press. In this CC meeting, we resolve one number agenda in order to contain post-election violence. Further stringent action must be taken by the police department. The culprit, directly or indirectly involved with post-election violence, must be arrested and awarded exemplary punishment as per rule of the law. Second, immediate relief should be provided to all victims of current post-election violence. Further, appropriate compensation should be provided to the individual and families who have been affected physically, injury, fire in dwelling house, shop and looting out valuable properties, ransacking of dwelling house and destroy of rubber plantation and other standing crop, including looting out and poisoning of fish from the pond and lakes. Third, IPFT party appeal to all the section of the population, irrespective of political belief and ideology, to maintain peace and cordial atmosphere all over the state, with special reference to TTIDC area. In case of continuation of post-election violence, IPFT will be under compulsion to organize peaceful democratic movement for self-protection. IPFT appeal to the people of the state to maintain peace and calm. If situation continue, if violence continue any further, IPFT will compelled to have a aggressive movement, peaceful movement all over the state, especially in Aris area. IPFT is closely watching the situation. Whoever involved in this violence, whoever involved, maybe any political party belong, IPFT will be compelling to have a aggressive movement. And I believe IPFT have still very strong role. We have a lot of cadres, volunteers in this area. Therefore, we appeal on behalf of our party, we appeal to the government of Tripura as well as the police department to take immediate action whoever involved in this incident we have lot of FIR file, and also we have identified so many culprits, directly, indirectly, who involved in this violence. We have already identified, and we have given some name also to the police. But unfortunately, though I'm also minister, belong to the state government minister, I really feel sorry why the police is not taking action immediately. Therefore, IPP party will be compelled to have a vigorous movement, aggressive movement, if situation continue. Tini ang sana musugo, tini press ni bisingti. 10 tarik ni hoite, tini poento. Violence torai tongo, jaga chas jeng khobor mai tongo, nok sok sago, auto sok sago, event burini, godnani, rangsak riksak rok seiklang thango, tei bose kabang manukha, ar marini sabayui, rang lak, even ini simna, ini abo subol singo, price harus 6 lakh rang, bori tongmani, bori ar mari bising ni, apa poin borok, lut kaitlang thangka. Tei bu bele wana masingsa, pukri rogo, bithi roi rogo, tui nungani call, aro bithi roi rogo, kuar rogo, tei mairung rogo, jasa ada mairung tongmani, mairung rogo, kerosene buli rogo, apa bele wana masingsa. Oba hai de tongmung, oba hai de gotona, apa kuno de ngyako, awan bagai je kuno borok phone involved thung. He may belong to any party, political party. Culprit is culprit. Apne action mana nai, apne bagai ang koi nai. Chini especially chini Tipramotha ni volunteer rogno. Because we do not know in the name of Tipramotha ni bumung nagai, oma hai borok samung khlayo. Tabuk phano chini borok kabangma khari matongo, nini khwai rogo, nini outla rogo, telemra rogo, chini Tiprasa rog, borok town of Haimatong phayo. Borok belai khen osiba tongo jundukha, sing maneski tongo, abon mang koi nai, chini sarkar mo sing koi nai, immediate relief, rena bagai, tai government prohashon, thangi ni toshildar ba tikun incorrect lagi, borok nok soksa jangmani, nok khamani, even malmata borok langi thango. They very interesting. In the name of Tipramotha or some allied organization, borok receive bago. Bisa esok khaina hnei, borok receive bago. Borok rang chanda sano. Onekjon borok jeng nukha, chino receive butongo, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 klai borok receive pani rogo. Tipramotha ni bumungtui, chino receive tongo. They sudah receive ya, phone by donkey rogo. Rang mari phainai 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, omai klai jeng, chino kamang mari puttongo. Abo belai ke durbagyo kapal hamia, bori bagai jeng omono sanai, chino IPP party jeng nai tongo, jeng tei chojjo klai manglak, jodi si, omai jeng continue tong klai, jeng tude tumru, jeng dison nanai, jeng sara Tripura rajyo, nangke jeng bon kere nai, jeng rasal ko klai nai, jeng je democratic movement, peaceful movement jeng klai nai, abo bagai ang koi nai, chini phasana koi nai, tei jeng public, je kuno party phana ongthung, ang boron koi nai, omai violence, omai tomung sitra, kate taung thung, Bani bagai ang barban koi sago, suno compel taklai di, chini jeng naharui tongko, ane volunteer rok, ane public rok, tabang matabun hajar, suno phone khai tongo, jadi omai ke tongko, tini bo gotona kanaka mandai go, auto sok sai doka, abo jeng report mai tongo, omai jadi konti tongklai, jeng bisi nai singlak, ane strai rok nai singlak, jeng peaceful klai jeng democratic movement jeng bo klai nai, hambai.
এই ধরনের ঘটনার পেছনে মূলত মানে কার বিরুদ্ধে আপনার অভিযোগ, কোন দলের বিরুদ্ধে?
আমরা শুনেছি এটা ইন দ্য নেম অফ Tipramotha অনেকজন এখানে সিপিএম প্রতি চক্রান্ত আছে, কারণ আমরা জানি, আপনারাও জানেন, এখন Tipramotha নামে ম্যাক্সিমাম ভলান্টিয়ার, ম্যাক্সিমাম সাপোর্টার এটা সিপিএম ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড ছেলে মেয়ে, ম্যাক্সিমাম Tipramotha সাপোর্টার এখন আমরা দেখতে পাই, ছেলে মেয়েগুলা অনেকজন সিপিএম ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডের লোক, যার জন্য এটা বোধ হয় আমি অবশ্যই ধন্যবাদ দেই আমাকে, আমাদের বোবাগড়া প্রদীপ কিশোরকে, উনি নিজেই বারবার অ্যাপিল করেছেন, শান্তির জন্য উনি অ্যাপিল করেছেন, কিন্তু এই অ্যাপিলটা উনি শুনেনি। এটাই আমরা দেখতে পাই এখানে একটু চক্রান্ত আছে, সম্ভাবনা আমাদের এটাই আমি বলতে চাই যে অধিকাংশ ক্যাডার অধিকাংশ সাপোর্টার তীব্রামথা ম্যাক্সিমাম ইউথ আর ইন দ্য সাপোর্টার অফ সিপিএম ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড ছেলে মেয়ে, যার জন্য বোধহয় এরা কন্ট্রোল করতে পারছে না। তবু আমি আবার অ্যাপিল করি, মোবারককে আমি জানাই এবং আমাদের যত ইলেক্টেড এমডিসি ওনারাকে আমি অ্যাপিল করি যাতে গ্রামে গিয়ে নিজের এলাকা গিয়ে যাতে আমাদের ইলেক্টেড যেটা এমডিসি আছে ওনারা দায়িত্ব আছে গ্রামে গিয়ে এলাকা গিয়ে শান্তির জন্য শান্তি বাতাবরণের জন্য যদি ওনারা যদি ইমিডিয়েটলি যদি এলাকা গিয়ে যদি প্রচার করে বোধহয় এটা সম্ভব হবে। আমি মহারাষ্ট্রকে বলেছি every elected candidate, every elected MDC should go to the villages, should go to the areas to appeal for the peace. আমি নিজেই অনেকবার গেছি, আমি প্রায় খোয়াই ডিস্ট্রিক্ট আমি ঘুরেছি, সদর আমি ঘুরেছি, ওয়েস্ট ত্রিপুরা আমি ঘুরেছি। এটাই আমি চাই, আমি নিজেই ঘুরেছি, কিন্তু এখানে ভায়োলেন্স কন্টিনিউ হয়েছে, জারি হয়েছে। যার জন্য আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করব, আমি মহারাষ্ট্রকে রিকোয়েস্ট করব যাতে ইলেক্টেড ক্যান্ডিডেট এরা দায়িত্ব নিয়ে গ্রামে যান, এলাকা যান, পাবলিককে বলুন যদি পিস করার জন্য শান্তি বাতাবরণ তৈরি করার জন্য উনারা গিয়ে যদি আমি এলাকায় গিয়ে ধরেছি অ্যাপিল করে এটা খুব আমাদের জন্য ভালো হবে।
গত 2 দিন আপনারা গতকাল যেমন আজকে মানে ভোটের ফলাফল নিয়ে মিটিংয়ে কি বেরিয়েছে, ফলাফলে এরকম হওয়ার কারণটা কি?
এটা আমরা ডিটেইল, এটা ইলেকশন প্রক্রিয়া আমরা ডিটেইল আমরা রিপোর্ট পেইনি, এটা আমরা টাইম লাগবো, কারণ ওখানে আমরা মেইন আমার উদ্দেশ্য হলো এই যে ভায়োলেন্সটা রক্ষা করার জন্য, কন্ট্রোল করার জন্য, যেটা এফেক্টেড ফ্যামিলি ওনাকে আমরা প্রায়োরিটি রিলিফের জন্য আমরা বলেছি। ইভেন এই যেটা কালপ্রিট ইনভলভ এটাকে রক্ষা কেস করার জন্য আমরা জনগণকে আমরা অ্যাপিল করেছি। এটাই আমাদের মেইন এজেন্ডা, 2 দিন মিটিং এজেন্ডা। কারণ ইলেকশন এটা টাইম নেবে, রিপোর্ট আসবে, আমরা অনেক কালেক্ট করতে হবে, এটা আমরা করতে পারছি না। এটা পরিস্থিতিটা আগে কন্ট্রোল করার জন্য আমরা এটা উদ্যোগ নিয়েছি।
CPM has denied that no involvement of their party in this, and they have said on the rather is the failure of the government. You also said that the police is unable to control. What is the reason behind it?
সেটাই নিয়ে আমরা এখন কথা বলবো, কারণ আমরা এটা সত্যি কারণ ম্যাক্সিমাম সাপোর্টার আগে তো মাথা তো নেই, মাথা তো নতুন, দে জাস্ট ফ্রম দ্য পার্টি, when they don't have any district committee, they don't have a division committee, they don't have primary committee, they don't have village committee, ওনার কিছু নেই। এখন হঠাৎ করে অত লোক জমছে, they have got lot of supporter, and I believe they also know, you also know, maximum supporter, I can say more than 60% supporter are CPM background ছেলে মেয়ে। এটাই আদের হেরা বোধহয় এবং ডিসিপ্লিন কন্ট্রোল করতে পারছে না, কারণ তেপরামাথা এট প্রেজেন্ট they don't have a setup, they don't have divisional committee, they don't have primary committee,
Down the
council committee. Down the line, they don't have any infrastructure. Therefore, I think maybe in the name of Motha, everybody is taking advantage.
And what about the police delegation you have brought?
Therefore, we request the police department. I mean, I have also, as a minister, I also appeal to them. So they say they will take action immediately. So they have given assurance. Let us see, and we will wait.
And what is? Do you have any assessment on what damage have been done? What type of damages mainly?
That is the assessment is going on, because right now, because this is continuous process going on. So today, tomorrow, so maybe it will take time to get the assessment. So how many houses burned, how many property destroyed.
Any pattern or any specific area where it has taken place?
This is specifically taking place in Khwai district, Khwai area, and West and Sipaijala. These 3 districts is mostly affected. Khwai, West, and Sipaijala. Other part also there are some but not major.
Sporadic.
This is sporadic. So main violence take place in these 3 districts. So today we appeal, we will give the letter to DGP also will give letter. We will give it letter to Home Minister. We already wrote a letter. So they said we'll see, we'll take the action. This so we're waiting.
BJP people are also being affected? Or
Yes, both are affected. I know. I mean, some BJP house also was vandalized. Party office was destroyed. When BJP party office also destroyed, and mostly affected is IPFT party.
How many FIRs have been lost so far? From
Now right now I cannot say, but maximum we have lost the FIR. Why have lost the FIR? Some power players. I mean, of course, it's going on. But today also we lost the FIR. So now maybe more than 30, 50 at the most.
Any loss of life, unfortunate incident?
Loss of life is not yet, one is also there is no loss of life till now, but there are so many seriously injured are there. So they are hospitalized and they are under treatment.
দলের হিসেবে এখন পর্যন্ত কয়টি সন্ত্রাসী ঘটনা ঘটেছে?
10 তারিখ তো বলেছে প্রায় পার্টি অফিস প্রায় বোধহয় 20টা পার্টি অফিস ভেঙেছেন around 20 party office. So far my report. Maybe there are more. And house, maybe around 50 houses are destroyed. And there are so many lake also. They put the medicine and all, poison.
19 তারিখ ওভারটেকিং এ আপনি মন্ত্রী সভা সদস্য হিসেবে যাচ্ছেন।
That is how. Let us see.
So BJP has specifically said that the poor performance is the alliance is because of IPFT. What do you want to say?
Your reaction on
Who said it? I don't know.
BJP
BJP
spokesperson has
said
specifically said that due to, and even the MP has also said, because of that alliance party, we did not wanted to give them so many seats. Because of the alliance party, the performance was so poor.
So far, directly I don't have any information. If they say so, let us discuss. We'll have a introspection. We'll jointly meeting will conduct. If they say so later, then maybe we'll discuss.
And what was your expected victory, but why the result has become so poor?
I cannot say it's so poor because this year the election is actually, I can say, wave. Like we say Modi wave. Naturally, it is true, this the fact that Maharaja is the first time, he came out first time in his life. So people may not know. So because he's fresh, so everybody have a soft corner of him. So people are maybe directly, indirectly, they have cast the vote. Since he's the new person, so and you know among the tribal, the soft corner of him. So we have lot of this thing. Therefore, I think that this is a wave of the
So
Maharaja.
you want to say that due to the personal charisma of Maharaja, the votes have been swayed towards.
Yeah, maybe so. Maybe so.
And Greater Tripraland has not been an effect because being in the party, in the government, you could not bring Tripraland issue as a whole in 3 years. When you are in the government, you can, there is a different way of, do you think that has also affected you?
That is not true, but see, people are sometimes, see, the partner IPFT, that is also, we can say, drawback, you can say. With a short period of time, 3 years performance of IPFT and BJP, that performance is not really, we cannot spread to the people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal. Otherwise, our performance is much, much better than the previous government, even for the welfare of our people. Yes. As you just now said, if any BJP person, or whatever he may be, if he says so, it is unfortunate. It is unfortunate. Maybe he is politically immature. But I can say that much. If he says so. Otherwise, we should have combined discussion, combined meeting, then only we will know what is what. But suddenly uttering this kind of sentence, it is not very nice. It is not very comfortable for us.
But do you accept that Greater Tripraland has been a turn in the politics?
That is, I cannot stay. I cannot stay. I cannot stay.
Before election, your Tripraland was a great issue before post 2018 election.
See, actually, the issue is always there. We are also raising the issue. We are not compromising. But saying Greater Tripraland, still people are maybe confused. People maybe do not realize what is the real meaning of Greater Tripraland. I think so. So they will explain to people. People will slowly came to know what is Greater Tripraland.
So another question, is it true that the IPFT candidates did not get enough support from the BJP where they are treated as alliance candidates?
That is, I will not say this directly, indirectly, but I believe this is a flow of Maharaja. It's a wave of Maharaja is the main reason, I think, why this election has actually
sweep.
sweep in the name of Maharaja. Not in the name of anything, but only Maharaja is the main center point who cast the vote. Maybe old, because as you know, this is fresh, new. Everybody like new person. No? So ultimately, if he work nicely, if he perform better, then people will judge according to his performance, according to his activities. But now people, we cannot say who is bad, who is good. But I can say that much, that since he's a fresh, it's a new person, so people are expecting him.
But your party once going with Maharaja, again coming back, has that not affected your image also? Your party's image, I mean.
That is actually, that also may be matter, but still we cannot penetrate this idea, why we cannot join to them, why we are come out. That matter we cannot actually explain to the people of Tripura. Thank you.